Hello friends, I'm Adi Dev. Today I'm going to talk about the Kargil War. What is Kargil War? The Kargil War, also known as Kargil conflict, was an armed conflict fought between India and Pakistan from May to July 1999 in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir, present day Ladakh, and elsewhere along the line of control in out the Kargil sector. The Indian Air Force's role in acting jointly with Indian Army ground troops during the war was aimed at flushing out regular and irregular troops of the Pakistan Army from vacated Indian positions along the LOC. This particular operation was given the code name Operation Safed Sagar. Now we are going to talk about events during the Kargil War. On May 3rd, 1999, a Pakistani intrusion in Kargil War district is reported by local shepherds. On 5th May 1999, Indian Army patrols are sent out in response to early reports. Five Indian soldiers are captured and subsequently killed. On 9th May 1999, heavy shelling by the Pakistan Army damages Indian ammunition dumps in Kargil. On 10th May 1999, multiple infiltrations across the LOC are confirmed in Dras, Kaksar and Mushkok sectors. On mid-May, India moves in more soldiers from the Kashmir Valley to Kargil. On 26th May 1999, the Indian Air Force begins airstrikes against suspected infiltrator position. On 27th May, one IAF MiG-21 and one MiG-27 aircraft are shot down by UNZA surface to air missiles of the Pakistan's Air Defense Corps. Filled Lieutenant Kambampati Nachiketa is captured by Pakistani patrol and given POW status. Released on 3rd June 1999. On 1st June 1999, the Pakistan Army begins shelling operations on Indian's National Highway 1 in Ladakh. National Highway 1 in Kashmir and Ladakh. On 5th June 1999, India releases documents recovered from Pakistani soldiers that officially indicates Pakistan's involvement in the conflict. On 6th June 1999, the Indian Army begins the major offensive in Kargil. On 9th June 1999, Indian troops recaptured two key positions in the Batalik sector. On 11th June 1999, India released intercepts of conversations between Pakistani COAS General Pervez Musharraf on a visit to China and CGS Lieutenant Aziz Khan in Rawalpindi as proof of Pakistan Army's involvement in the infiltrations. On 13 June 1999, Indian forces secured tooling in Dras after a fierce battle with militias blocked by Pakistani troops. On 29 June 1999, under pressure from the federal government, Pakistani forces began their retreat from the Indian administered Kashmir and the Indian Army advances towards Tiger Hill. On 4th July 1999, three Indian regiments, Sikh, Grenadier, and Naga, engaged elements of the remaining Pakistani Northern Light Infantry Regiment in the Battle of Tiger Hill. The region is recaptured by Indian forces after more than 12 hours of fighting. On 7 July 1999, Indian troops recaptured Jubdar Heights in Batalik. On 11th July 1999, Pakistani descends from the region. India retakes key peak points in Batalik. On 11th July 1999, Pakistani forces descend from the region. India retakes key peak points in Batalik. On 14th July 1999, Prime Minister of India Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee declares Operation Vijay and a success. The government of India gets conditions for talks with Pakistan. On 26 July 1999, Kargil war officially come to an end. Indian Army announces the complete withdrawal of Pakistani irregular and regular forces. The country supported India during the Kargil war. Only country helped India during the Kargil war is Israel. Think what Israel helped India during the Kargil war. They delivered a UAV to India. They provided photographs from its military satellites. They supplied ammunition and artillery shells for Bofors field gun deployed on height of Kargil. Israel provided with laser-guided missiles for its Mirages 2000 H fighters for ground attack. Countries supported Pakistan during the Kargil war. The countries helped Pakistan during the Kargil war are the USA. Now we're going to talk about the commanders and leaders of India during the Kargil war. Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Prime Minister of India. K.R. Narayan, President of India. General Ved Prakash Malik, Chief of Army Staff. Lieutenant General Chandrasekhar, Vice Chief of Army Staff. Air Chief Marshal now we're going to talk about the commanders and leaders of Pakistan during the Kargil war. Nawaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Pakistan. M.R. Tarar, President of Pakistan. General Pervez Musharraf, Chief of the Army Staff. Lieutenant General Muhammad Aziz Khan, Chief of General Staff. Now we're going to talk about the hero of Kargil war, Captain Vikram Batra. Hero of Kargil war, Captain Vikram Batra was an officer of the Indian Army. He was posthumously awarded the Param Veer Chakra, India's highest and most prestigious award for valor, for his actions during the 1999 Kargil War, during which he led one of the most difficult mountain warfare operations in the Indian military. Now we're going to talk about Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas, also known as Kargil Victory Day in Hindi, is commemorated every 26 July in India to observe India's victory over Pakistan in the Kargil war for outstanding Pakistani forces from the occupied positions on the mountain tops of northern Kargil district in Ladakh. In 1999, initially the Pakistani army denied their involvement in the war, claiming that it was caused by Kashmiri militant forces. However, documents left behind casualties, testimony of POWs, and later statement by the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Nawaz Sharif, and Pakistan Army Chief of Army Staff Pervez Musharraf showed that involvement of Pakistani military forces led by General Ashraf Rashid. Kargil Vijay દિવસ is celebrated on 26 July every year in honor of Kargil War's hero. This day is celebrated all over India and in the national capital, New Delhi, where Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti at the India Gate. Every year, functions are organized all over the country to commemorate the contributions of Indian armed forces. Result of the Kargil war is India victory. India regains position of Kargil. Thank you and have a wonderful day.